Content marketing is a powerful way for mortgage brokers to build trust with first-time homebuyers. Instead of relying on generic ads or sales pitches, focus on sharing educational blog posts, videos, and downloadable checklists that answer real questions. Break down complex topics like loan types, credit scores, and closing costs in simple terms so buyers feel confident and informed. Offer step-by-step loan guides and local market updates to show your expertise and help buyers understand their options. Sharing client success stories and myth-busting articles makes your services relatable and transparent. Downloadable checklists and live Q&A sessions give buyers practical tools and direct access to your knowledge. By providing clear, useful information at every stage, you position yourself as a trusted guide, making it easier for first-time buyers to reach out when they're ready to take the next step.
Please share and like. It helps us get the word out and makes the algorithm really happy. Check us out at advertisemybusiness.com.